Hey guys, this is the video for daily division day 4. So we have problems number 7 and 8 here, and actually we're going to get these problems from this note page. Okay, do you guys remember taking these notes, the fraction, decimal, and percent cheat sheet notes? So on the sheet, okay, on the front we have this right here, 3/4 that we're going to change to a decimal. So we're going to go ahead and fill this part out, and then what you'll do is you'll just take a picture of your note sheet for this problem for day 4. Okay, and then the second problem we're going to do is on the back. We have one more practice that we're going to do right here, 5/8. So again, we're going to fill in our notes, and then you're going to use this for your daily division. Okay? All right. So our first problem is 3/4. And this actually brings up a point here. 3/4 is a benchmark fraction. Okay, so if you know your benchmark fractions, you know your fourths. This is 3/4, 3/4, and we should know that that is 0.75, like 75 cents, and 75%, because that's a benchmark fraction. And this is exactly why you want to learn and try to remember as many benchmark fractions as you can. The halves, fourths, thirds, fifths, tenths, because if you know that this 3/4 is 0.75, you don't have to do the long division. The only reason we use long division is because we don't know what the decimal is. So every benchmark fraction you can remember, the less amount of long division you have to do. So we're going to do this one just to prove to you that it is 0.75 and to practice it and put it in our notes. But on a test or a quiz, if you have a question, if you know your 3/4, this is going to save you a lot of time because you don't have to do the long division. But we'll go ahead and do it. All right, 3/4. The 3 goes on the inside, the 4 stays on the outside. This is 3 divided by 4. Remember, a fraction is division. 3 divided by 4. So we're going to write our multiples of 4 on the side. And I like to start with maybe somewhere between 6 and 10. And if we need to continue on, we always can. But we'll stop there for now and see if that's enough. All right. Can 4 go into 3? It can't. 0 times. Okay, and we actually know it's going to be 0 point something because this is a proper fraction. Only improper fractions are over 1 whole. And before I can add my 0, don't forget that's when we add our decimal point. How many times can 4 go into 30? We're actually really close, so this might be a time where I want to go ahead and add one more multiple of 4, just to be sure. Okay, I know that that's too many, so 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. 7 times 4 is 28. So that is what I'm subtracting. 30 minus 28 is 2. We bring down another one of our zeros. 20. How many times can 4 go into 20? That's right here. Exactly how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly 5 times. And when it's exact like that, we know when we subtract, we're going to get 0. And that means we're done with our long division. Okay, so 3/4 is 0.75. If you know your benchmark fractions, then you know that that's 75 cents. Okay, so write that down. You're writing this down on your note sheet, remember, in the front. Right here, right there. Show your work all right here. And then take a picture of your note sheet and put it in your daily division slide. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and erase this. And do our next problem. Our next problem is on the back of your sheet, right here on the practice side, 5/8. Go ahead and set up our long division problem. 5 is what goes on the inside. It's not about what number is larger or smaller. It's about your numerator. Your numerator is what goes on the inside. This is 5 divided by 8. So we're going to list our multiples of 8. Okay, whatever you're dividing by. And we can stop there, and if we need some more, we can always add some more. Remember, this is a proper fraction. Anytime the numerator is smaller than your denominator. It's a proper fraction, which means it is a true fraction. It's a fraction, it's a piece. So it's going to be less than 1 whole. So can 8 go into 5? No, 0 times. Then we add our decimal and our 0. See, less than 1 whole. How many times can 8 go into 50? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is too many. So just 6 times. 6 times 8 is 48. -50 48 is 2. We're going to bring down this 0 and we get 20. All right, now we start over. How many times can 8 go into 20? 1, 2, just twice, because 24 is too many times. So 2 times. 2 times 8 is 16. And when we subtract, we get 4. The marker's running out of ink. And then we're going to bring down our 0. How many times can 8 go into 40? Here we go. Exactly how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So 5 goes on top. We're going to subtract this 40. Whenever it's perfect like that, that means you are done. Okay? So what is 5/8 as a decimal? 0.625. All right, so that is daily division for day 4, problems number 7 and 8. Again, you're writing this in your note sheet, okay, so that we can fill out our notes, take a picture of your note sheet, and put it in your daily division slides. See ya.